Hello students, in previous class we were studying about decomposition reactions. In today's class we will study about displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. It has two types. First one, single displacement. Second, double displacement. Displacement reaction. When a more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound, it is called displacement reaction. When a more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. In a reaction, if two products are reacting, one is higher reactive and the other one is lower reactive, then the higher reactive element displaces the lower reactive elements from its compound. It's called displacement reaction. It has two types. Reaction is of two types: single displacement and double displacement. Single displacement. It is a type of chemical reaction where an element reacts with a compound and takes the place of another element in the compound is called a single displacement. When in a reaction, element reacts with a compound, only a compound, and takes the place of another element. In that compound is called single displacement. When a element reacts with a compound, when a element reacts with a compound and takes the place of another element, okay, it's called single displacement. And in double displacement, in the reaction, two different ions and groups of atoms react in the reactant. Molecules are displaced by each other. Is called double displacement. In double displacement, two different ions and group of atoms in a reactants molecules displaced by each other. Is called double displacement. After seeing the examples, you will clearly know what is single displacement and double displacement. For example of single displacement, zinc, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate and copper metal. When an element reacts with a compound and takes the place of another element, here Zn takes the place of Cu. Zn takes the place of Cu, ZnSO4 and Cu here. Okay. In double displacement, Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 is equal to BaSO4 2NaCl. In this reaction, two different elements take the place of two other elements. SO4 is taking the place of here Na2SO4, here BSO4. Ba has taken the place of Na. Ba has taken the place of Na, and Na has taken the place of Ba. In upper reaction, only Zn takes the place of Cu, is called single displacement. In this reaction, Na takes the place of, is taking place of Ba, and Ba is taking place of Na. And this type of reaction is called displacement reaction. Both are displacement reaction, but this one is single displacement and this one is double displacement. Here we have finished displacement reaction. Fourth one, oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction reactions. First one, oxidation. Oxidation, it can be defined as the process in which oxygen is added to a substance. When in reaction oxygen is added to a substance, then this reaction is called oxidation. Another definition, the process in which hydrogen is removed. When in the process in which hydrogen is removed is also from a substance is called oxidation. The process in which substance loses electron, it is the another one, also another definitions. Three definitions are like, first one, when oxygen is added. Second one, when hydrogen is removed. The third one, when electron is lost. Okay, electrons are lost. For example, CuO2, heat, 2CuO. Here in this reaction, oxygen is added to Cu, then it is oxidation. Okay. Zinc, Zn, 2 positive ion plus 2 electron. In this process, substance Zn is losing electrons, then it is also oxidation. Opposite to this oxidation, opposite of oxidation is reduction. When oxygen is removed, it's reduction. When hydrogen is added, it's reduction. When electrons are taken, it's also reduction. The process in which oxygen is removed from a substance, it's reduction. The process in which hydrogen is added to substance, it's reduction. And the process in which substance gains electron, it's also reduction. First one example, 2KClO3, heat, 2KCl and 3O2. Here oxygen is removed from this element, this compound, so it's reduction. Second one example, 2Na plus H2 is equal to 2NaOH. Hydrogen is added, then it's also reduction. Zn, 2 positive plus 2 electrons, zinc. It's also reduction because electrons are gaining in this reaction. This reaction is gaining electrons, that's why it's reduction. Okay, here we have completed oxidation and reduction.